In this video I will show you how to unlock your locked account on the Snapchat. First open your browser and search for support.snapchat. Click on the first link. Now you have to click on the troubleshooting. After that, click on the login and new account troubleshooting. Now you have to scroll up. You have to click on yes. Now you have to click on my account login. After that, click on I think my account was hacked. Click on the yes. Now you have to write username of your Snapchat, and then email, and then your phone number. After that you have to write here, "Hello, my account was mistakenly locked. I never use any third-party application." Click on the send and they will open your account as soon as possible.